Hi guys, so today we are going live with Chahat Khanna. She was recently seen in Mika Singh's song Quarantine Love.
Hi, I'm good. How are you?
Were you busy doing something? Household chores?
Yeah, I didn't realize when y'all have come live. So I kind of WhatsApp that when are y'all coming live, and I realized that okay, we are already here. So
Oh, so how has been the lockdown for you till now?
lockdown has been very bad for me because my building has been seized,
Oh,
and we are in cordoned off zone. No one can get down. So we had a case in a building, but
oh,
apparently that girl is now off medication just in 2 days, which is quite commendable. So
but
that.
that must be scary, no? I mean,
Yeah. So till yesterday, I thought that even I have caught it because I was feeling really unwell and
yeah.
all of that, and I was like, oh my God. So all three people in my family, my staff, my sister, and me, we thought कि हमें भी हो गया है.
Oh,
So we were like, oh God, but then today we are better. So fingers
nice.
crossed.
How are you dealing with this? Like, I'm sure you know that there's a case, there is anxiety about that. So,
Yeah,
how are you
yeah.
dealing with that?
Um, Nothing. Yeah, it's 500 meters away from my building. It's a C wing, and
Yeah.
I'm in B wing right now. And that's a good thing that I'm not in the same wing.
Hmm.
But we have police rounding up in our society that don't get down. In the loudspeaker, they're speaking to all of us. So
Yeah.
I think again now 15 days we will be quarantined. So we are quarantined since 1st of April in our
Yeah.
building. It will go till 15 more days, I think. It's
God.
crazy.
How are you managing like all groceries and stuff? How are you doing that?
That is very good, you know, in our building, what's happening in our society, they have arranged everything. Everything is under the society, DMart to ATMs to vegetable vendors to milk, bread, grocery, everything, which is
Nice.
quite good. But
So
since two,
let's.
3 days, they have discontinued that also because everything is cordoned off. So
Oh,
they are dropping they are dropping at everyone's doorstep, whatever
oh,
they want.
oh God, just take care
Yeah,
of yourself. This is
yeah,
so sweet. So I
yeah.
just
We
shifting.
never thought ऐसा भी कभी कोई टाइम
I
आएगा, you
know,
know,
I
कि
know.
हम लोग मतलब वॉर जोन तो नहीं, बट हम खुद अपने घरों में बंद हो जाएंगे.
Yeah.
हमने किसी ने नहीं सोचा था. एक सेकंड, आई देयर इज लॉट ऑफ प्लांट्स हियर व्हिच इज डिस्टर्बिंग मी.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. It's
So
okay.
I'm actually in my balcony, so I just didn't realize there's one new rose come up, and it's
Oh,
just disturbing me, just coming in my way. So
so let's just move the conversation to a lighter note and talk about the
yes.
much talked about thing, your song. That was
Oh yeah.
like a bomb dropped in lockdown. Something new happened. So how did you, like the
Yeah.
success was huge.
Bomb dropped in the lockdown. That's a good one.
Exactly, like people are like, okay, she's made a song. Okay, how did she make a song, and what is it all about? And the promotions, the kind of promotions you guys did was amazing. So how is the response?
It's all Mika's brain. I wouldn't have done it. I wouldn't have carried it off. I
Yeah,
couldn't have pulled it off.
yeah.
And I was so anxious, and I was like so scared कि God, I'm being told people are saying this, that, and he's like शांति रखो, शांति रखो. I'm just मैं जो बोल रहा हूँ वो बस करते रहो. And I'm like okay, fine. So it is all his brain. His mind works like a computer, I think. And yeah, so and basically it was also that, you know, हो गया था ऐसे टाइम, मतलब ऐसा कुछ हो गया था अभी कुछ टाइम तक कि people didn't realize that it is a song which we have come up with.
Yeah,
They didn't know that it is a single. So
yeah.
they're like यार ये क्या बकवास है, अपने बेडरूम का गाना तुमने रिलीज कर दिया. मतलब ये तो बहुत हद हो गई है. मुझे ऐसे ऐसे कमेंट्स आए थे बोलते हुए कि तुमने अपने बेडरूम में जो भी काम करते थोड़े ना हर कोई रिलीज करता, तुमने गाना गाया तो रिलीज कर दिया. व्हाट नॉनसेंस. And then they didn't even realize that the whole dialogue, Mr. Singh and Khanna Samala dialogue is
Yeah.
a part of publicity brand. And मुझे बहुत सारे DMs आए, बहुत सारे comments आए मेरे Instagram पे कि तुम लोग बेडरूम टॉक्स कैसे लीक कर सकते हो, एंड a lot of people made articles that Chahat leaked from bedroom talks. I was like, oh god, someone just kill me. I was so embarrassed, but at the same time it was like it was working well for a promotion, so we were like, okay, fine, let's go ahead.
Yeah, I think people started. I think firstly, like people had something to talk about because nothing was happening anyway. So people could talk about your song and talk about the promotions that you, the videos that you started posting. So I think that's good for your
I
song.
think ये quarantine लोगों को जरूर याद रहेगा quarantine love के नाम से. And people have started calling me quarantine love, and I'm like, oh god, I want to hide my face.
Wow, but that needs like a lot of brain, a lot of courage to carry this.
Only Mika could do this. And me, such a mad person I am reckless about my name and whatever. It doesn't matter to me anymore. So I was like, ठीक है, करते हैं, मुझे कोई problem नहीं है. And people are like, how can you date him? I was like, God, I can't spill the beans now. But yeah, wait and watch.
So people are
like
confused. Like, are you in a relationship? Are you
हाँ, तो अभी ऐसा हो गया कि मैं जानबूझकर सिंगल कोट्स डाल रही हूँ मेरे Instagram पर, और लोग बोल रहे हैं, ए हट, ये तो डेटिंग Mika, ये तो committed. How can you put single quotes? And I was like, okay. So it backfired in that way that now हम सच भी बोल रहे हैं तो लोगों को यकीन नहीं हो रहा है. इतना हमने झूठ बोला है कि अब सच पे भी यकीन.
Mika is your boyfriend. Oh god.
Yeah, and they're like कि नहीं ये वो. Yeah, but then अब तो सच बोल रहे तो भी यकीन नहीं हो रहा है लोगों को. तो ऐसी बात हो गई अब.
But you telling, I think some publication that people unfollowed you because the rumors came out that you're dating.
Yeah, so a lot of fans, not lot, but होंगे 20-25 DMs आए होंगे मुझे कि you are dating, you broke my heart, and अलविदा दोस्त, and I'm unfollowing you. How can you date Mika? Arey, what a choice. I'm unfollowing you. You put me down. I was so a lot of people unfollowed me. मतलब होंगे 20-25 DMs होंगे. Yeah, so it's that. I was like, okay, what to do?
That was, I mean, like, you weren't expecting it, of course.
I wasn't expecting it. I didn't realize that this will also backfire in a way that even if I go and say to people, hello, I'm single, they're like, oh, get lost. We know about you. So this is what I am going through. Okay, people, I'm saying to everyone, okay, no, I'm not dating anybody. And they're like, हाँ हमको पता है, सब पता है, please रहने दो. In fact, my friends, my close friends, they are teasing me. And I'm like, guys, not y'all, please. So yeah, it's crazy.
Anyway, how did this idea come up? Like, how did you guys shoot it? You guys are neighbors. This is what you.
Yeah. So we stay really close by each other, and he wanted to shoot. First, it started from TikTok. Then it graduated. So one fine day, he told me, "कि आजा shoot करते हैं." And I was like, yeah, okay. So I was like talloing for at least a week. I tallowed. I was like, yeah, ठीक है. And then I was also mad enough. I was like, ठीक है, चलो करते हैं. He's like, आजा कल plan करते हैं. अच्छा, आजा plan करते हैं. I was like, okay, fine. So we went. I went to his place. We planned. The second day, we called Mani. He is the guy who handled our phone for us, like the camera and direction, a little bit here and there. So I did the storyline, and Mani kind of directed it.
Yeah.
So we 3 people shot this. That's it. And I did my hair and makeup, everything. So it was like very, very this for us, कि हाँ करते हैं, कर लेते हैं. So घर में ही करना था, and we thought, he said कि कल करते हैं. It's like, okay, fine. So we shot for 2 days, and I did my hair, makeup, everything. Mani did the camera, and Mika also did his hair, makeup, whatever. We shot it in his house. And yeah, that's it. We were just done with it.
The video looks quite amazing.
Yeah.
If it's on the phone, it's quite amazing. Doesn't look
like
on the phone.
It's iPhone.
Nice work there. So now the question rises: what is your love life status right now? If people are mad to know about.
मैं कुछ भी बोलूँगी तो कोई यकीन तो करेगा नहीं. तो रहने देते हैं love life status because कोई यकीन नहीं करेगा. नहीं like झूठ बोल रही है. It's okay.
No, people like I've seen like a lot of people are asking about your marriage. You have marriage plans.
Marriage plans? नहीं कितनी बार करूँगी मैं शादी.
Happy for your marriage. Why? What What is up with that?
Oh God. So किसी ने ये भी news आई थी that we have secretly got married.
Oh,
And okay, so this is quite funny. ये news आई थी, we have secretly got married and we are living in together. And my ex-husband, he bashed the shit out of them. He's like, how can y'all print like this? Blah blah blah. And those publications, they got like they were literally dreading and they were threatening. कि, he actually kind of abused the shit out of them. कि ऐसे कैसे हो सकता है? She's I know about her, blah blah blah. So I was like, okay, this is going too personal. But yeah, so it was a mix, pickle of a lot of things coming together. And I was like, मुझे दूर रखो, please.
nice.
So yeah.
After everything that has happened, like,
Yeah.
has your perception about, like, of course you did a song, has your perception about love changed or marriage changed? Do you like plan to get married?
Firstly, I would like to know that एक इंसान कितनी बार शादी करता है? पहले मुझे बताओ.
You can.
Of course. I don't want one of those कि अच्छा आज इनकी चौथी शादी, आज इनकी तीसरी शादी, आज इनकी दूसरी. No, I am happy single. बहुत खुश हूँ single. One sided love story है मेरी, चल रही है और शायद चलने दो. जो कितने सालों तक चलेगी मुझे नहीं पता, but हाँ, so it's that.
Okay. Okay, let's just come down to this lockdown, back to this lockdown.
Yeah.
How has your routine been? Like people are talking about their sleep cycles have changed, they've started doing things. So how has it
My
changed?
office staff is messaging me 2:30 at the night. Okay, ma'am, what else is the work? Tell me, I am awake.
Oh gosh.
Okay, so they know I'm online, and my office staff has started contacting me 2:30 a.m. in the night.
Oh God.
And I was like, yeah, something, matlab, yeah.
Yeah.
But yeah, everyone's pattern has been changed because no routine, no exercise, no
Yeah.
tiredness.
Yeah.
You're just bloating, you're just eating, doing nothing. अब तो building के नीचे भी उतरना मना हो गया है. So yeah, it's kind of going nowhere.
So have you started any hobbies or something?
Yeah, I have taken up a hobby of painting. I paint. And
Reading a book also. I saw you sent us a video. You were
Yeah.
reading, I think.
everything
Mark.
is
Yeah.
everything is up, yeah.
So
हाँ,
they-
so वो बहुत ज़्यादा इस सिचुएशन के ऊपर बहुत अच्छी जाती है वो बुक.
True.
And I am writing actually. I am mounting my projects as a producer. Very, very early stage to talk about. So I don't want to also talk about. But yeah, I have written 3 scripts, which one of them I am taking on floor as the lockdown opens.
Okay.
Initially, we wanted to do 3 of them simultaneously, but I just want to take it slow, one at a time. So it's that.
Nice. And acting, are you like? Will we see you on screen?
Absolutely. These are my 3 projects, which I am going to be a part of them as an actor.
Nice.
So
what,
one is going on floor sooner.
nice. What is this first project about? Like you've written. What is all about? Like if you can.
It is a theatrical feature film. It is going to be a theatrical feature film. The whole idea started from there.
Yeah.
Then because of the lockdown, I changed my mind. I spoke to my partners, and we thought of converting it into web, not feature film.
Yeah.
But now I think again, by the time we mount, we start shooting, we go on floor, things will get better.
Yeah.
So we can also think about theatrical because the studios which I have, they are more keen for theatricals. So it's that. Let's see how it goes.
So that keeps you busy, like writing and dealing with all
Here and there, and then I don't come to know where the time flies.
this. Yeah.
With the kids and all, so everything you are managing on your own. I have staff, but with the kids, it's like time flies.
Yeah, true. That is so true. So how are your kids dealing? Like how are the kids dealing with it? Because I mean they must have a routine, like going down, meeting friends. So how are you managing them?
Yeah. So my daughter misses their friends.
Yeah.
My elder daughter, she misses her friends. and building के friends को miss करती है, school के friends को miss करती है, and school teachers are sending videos and they having online classes. But at the same time, yesterday she saw her school teachers, all of them together. They made a video and they sent it, saying that the Air India video where everyone is Air India staff when they are saying that we will be flying soon,
Yeah.
something like that. So something on that line, na, the Safari Kids made a video which is so touching. And she looked at the video and she was like almost in tears. I was like, oh, we will be going to school again very soon. But it's a sad thing for the kids, yeah. They don't know what's happening, but it's quite sad for all of us.
Once they, I think, grow up, they'll read about it and like, oh, we lived that.
Yeah, yes, but they will not, yeah, but then they will not, realize, because my daughter is very young. So she will not remember everything, but
Yeah.
she's like, yeah, I think I've seen blurred memory.
Okay, someone like before you joined asked for some acting tips. So if you could just help them with
Acting
How-
tips.
how they can enter the industry and what all they should keep in mind.
Uh, it's a good question. Well, not many people ask this, but you have to go through a lot of rejection. First thing, keep in mind that you have to completely change yourself, however you are, good or bad or best. You still have to groom yourself, and you have to become someone who people would like, because that is what is sellable. You have to basically have a lot of dedication, because there will be times when you will just give up, and then the things will start happening. It might not even happen. You never know.
True.
So you have to have a lot of patience in you, and of course you should learn this craft of acting. You should learn the skill of performance. I won't call it acting, but I would call it performance, where you can start from theaters. Theaters is a very good medium, and you can start from good kind of acting classes where people groom you. They groom your, the actor inside you.
Yeah.
And then you should take it slow. I think the best thing for an actor to do is you should join theaters, and from there you should take it as it comes. So theaters, as you get to learn a lot, is that.
Okay, that was a very worst answer. Thank you. I think we got his answer. Well, guys, you can please drop in your questions. Till then,
Yes.
someone also asked about your skincare routine. How are you maintaining like fitness and skincare? How are you maintaining that?
सी मुझे ज्यादा टाइम नहीं मिलता है कुछ भी करने के लिए. एक्सरसाइज घर में करने के लिए, फ्लोर एक्सरसाइजेस करने का भी टाइम नहीं मिलता है. तो मैं बेस्ट चीज क्या करती हूँ, मैं प्लैंक्स कर लेती हूँ. 1 मिनट का एक प्लैंक, 2 प्लैंक्स 2 मिनट के, and maximum 3 planks, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. So that is more than enough for you. So I think in the everyday daily chores, you can at least take out 3 minutes for yourself, which is
Yeah.
not much time. And if you do that plank, that is like a full body exercise for you. And that's it. You don't need to do anything else. Of course, I eat less. As much as I love to eat, I eat less.
Yeah.
Because I want to keep myself fit. Less as in I don't starve. I eat three meals a day. I also keep having snacks in between, but the quantity of it becomes lesser. And the skincare, I'm not doing much. I don't do any skincare. At times when I'm having some acne, recently I've just started developing acne. So I have this aloe vera plant here, if you can see somewhere there. I have the aloe vera plant there. I just take it, apply it on the face. That's it.